Okay, folks, let's see if I can do part 3 in 15 minutes or not. I mean, I'm going to have to redo 1 and 2 because the volume isn't that great. So one thing I did here, and it went wacko on me, I have a video tutorial on how to change this to go to Classic, the graph editor. If you see the video card going jaggedy lines, please watch that video tutorial to make the changes. Okay, so let's see where we're at here. Okay, I'm going to come over here at the beginning and I'm going to press play. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so obviously I'm going to add roll at some point. So why don't I just go like this? The first 10 frames, nothing. I'm pressing period. I'm going back, holding. Oh, look at this. 20 to 23. There's like a early rotation. So that means the value at frame 20, which is rotate 70, is changing on the next keyframe to 59. So if I just punch in 70, and there, it's red means it's recorded. So now if I go back and forth, comma, period, nice, no change. And then we'll go to the next frame slowly, and it kind of rotates here, I believe, right? There's a bit of rotation. So 70 to minus 18 somehow. I believe there's a hold. So what is it, 32, 35, 4 frame hold, and then squash quickly, and then boom, take off. So this is a, wow, 3 frame, okay, 3 frame, okay. Stretch, okay, not bad. So starting from here to 45, I'm assuming, okay, so that's 7 frames to hit. I'm assuming I did something like 7 frames back. Let's just go to, add this another frame here. I'm holding shift and clicking. So here, boom, something like that. And so if you hit here, this location can be changed, but I'll tweak that on my own. So for example, I'm looking at this and I'm saying, over here, boom. So maybe that would maybe bounce up and down depending on the angle. I'll have to throw a ball around to get that angle. So regardless, it's coming down. Okay, so it starts from 35 to 45. So there's like 10 frames. Okay, so let's see. 45. So 45 to 52, 7 frames. So if I want, I can make that into 8, add another frame. Oops, let go of it, click, thank you. So it took like from here, 38, 7 here, but it squashes, I guess it's 7 up, 7 down. And then when it goes back up, this, I'm looking at this, it looks really fast. Okay, so I'm fixing, eventually I'm going to do a roll, okay guys? So look, even though it's here, look, I'll just jump around for fun, okay? This is 120, it should be 121 actually. What is that? Boom, left click, drag it over. Okay, so here we go. At 121, I can come in here and go 260, just like that. I have no idea which way that moves, so that wasn't really the smartest move. So I'll just go E here, and I'll rotate, and I'll see I was lucky, it went in the positive direction. Okay, so I'm just saying that. So all I did, I went to the last frame, E for rotate. Okay, see the blue axis? I'm assuming it's Z, and yes it is. So here's the number. So let's just play and see if we have a rotation in here. Boom, boom, take off, click, 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 rotate. There's a bit of sliding going on. Okay, don't like the sliding, but at least it's moving. Now, is it moving somewhere in here too? Is it rotating? Yeah, there's a bit of rotation, nice. So if there's a bit of a slide, here's where we go into Graph Editor, okay? So let's watch. It's Rotate Z. I'm going to click Rotate Z. So somebody just asked me a few minutes ago, how come I'm not seeing any of these red columns? So look, no red columns. Okay, so if you click on the ball, you will see the red columns. Well done, thank you. Okay, so see? So we have red columns. So if I don't click on the ball, there's nothing to see, because that's really what's being animated, not the wall, nothing else, okay? So if I go down here to rotate Z, this is what I'm seeing, okay? So I'm seeing, let's just zoom out a bit. Let's see what's happening from 75, and it's rotating, 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 and sliding, and coming to a stop, okay? So here's some options here. Now, this, as you can see here, the rotation, if I select one side, both sides are going to be affected, right? So what I should do, as you guys remember from the first perpetual ball bounce, we break the joints right there. So at this point, I can have it going like that, and let's see what it does. And it's sliding a bit more. So let's see where we are here. This is what, 112? So I'm just going to go 120. I have no idea. So let's see how, I want to control it from here. So let's just play and move this to 75, something like that. I just want to watch this part for a second. Okay, there's less of a slide. Okay, that's cool. I'm happy with that, so I'll just go like that. Here, looking here, it should be straight across, so gradually in. Okay, and this one, I did break it. Let's see if I can influence it. Like just constant speed. So let's see, where are we here? I'm not seeing anything. Come on. Rotate Z. Here's the key, right? Which is right there. Okay? So if I'm looking at this, I want this to be a straight line. Maybe. Let's just try it. So you need to select, press W. If nothing happens, Maya doesn't know if you're moving, rotating, or scaling. So that's why I selected the key, which is right here, 75, right there. And I press W, pressing Shift with one hand, middle scroll button, something like that. So there's a straight line, meaning constant speed, and then gradually slowing down. Let's see if that means that works. A little better than before. Okay, good. So now I know that if I press W, oh, let's check out what X is doing, okay? Here. Look at X. So let's go over here. This is that, wow, I don't have a key there somehow. How's that possible? Okay, so I know what happened here. Hang on a second, guys. Here. See how everything is red here, right? I'm going to go to frame 10. Everything is red. I'm going to press period, and then to go forward, I'm going to press S, period S, period S. So I'm just basically pressing S on every frame. So in here, you're not going to see any pink. Pink means it's not recorded. Red means there's a key on it, okay? Recorded. Okay, so let's see this now. Boom, boom, back, forward, click, click, click. That was too slow, for sure. Like 1, 2, boom. Okay, so I'm going to speed this up, maybe add more bounces. Even 1, 2, 3, 4. Not bad. Okay, so let's see now what X is going to do for us. Okay, right now, if you see here, I just middle scroll. Look at this. So there's some kind of a dip going on here. Okay, which is fine. What if I keep this at constant speed? How is that going to look? So let's see. Okay. Okay, so I've got my roll in, and where's my roll really starting? Somewhere here. Let's see, 42, 58. That's not bad. Okay, so let's take a playtest and see what we've done. Okay, so I'm just going to resave this. I've done various versions of this, so I'm going to call this 5, underscore and demo. Okay, there we go. So let's just right click in here, play blast, and you guys have to constantly save your play blast, okay, as for my demo. So we'll call this 5 demo. And I'm going to apply. Let's see what we got. Boom. So let's see. We're going to watch this frame by frame, okay? So frame number. The next video I'll fix the rotation. At least we've got that happening. 2, 3. Oh boy, that drop is terrible, okay? For sure I made a mistake there. So watch, I'm going to press. Now if you want to watch frame by frame in QuickTime, you just have to hit the arrow right, and it'll go forward. Okay, so right here, I'm not liking this angle, so I may have to rotate the ball even more here. See, it's going this way. It should really go like that. Okay, with the, whatever. It's fine. I can even add a squash here. So this here from the hit, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm going to shave 2 frames off this and reshoot this, okay? So let's see, right here. Boom, coming, taking off. Okay. So I may even make this 1 frame less. And this part here, I'll make 2 frames less, okay? So let's see, let's play it from here. Still, I think it needs to be a little faster because it's a quick hit. Okay, so let's start squash, stretch. So this is a 2 frame. It hits. Okay, we'll do this faster here. So all I'm doing is working on my timing a bit here. Okay, and I'm not happy with this angle, right? So look somewhere here, E, so Z, right? So let's see if Z can help us out. Rotate Z, where are you, buddy? Here we are. Okay, can we do anything to help here? So if I, let's see, if I break this here, I'm just experimenting right now. Break, break. Okay, I'm going to do something like this. Let's see. Let's see if this is going to help at all. Oh, it's this way. Huh. I don't think this is going to work. I'm just showing you like the power of this. This is going to look. Okay, so I'm not going to do it that way. Select these two, leave it as is for now, and then I'll manually do a breakdown right here. Okay, so watch. Okay, so let's just go back. One, it's not bad. Here. Like that. I'm manually adding a key here, so boom. And the other thing is, I really don't like, it's not coming back enough. See here? W. Let's get this guy somewhere here. So, boom. Now all my ball bounces are going to be a disaster. How do you fix that, people? Okay, so here. Okay. And let's just see that. Obviously, we'll move all that forward. It's not a problem. Okay, so that, if you look at it, X, right? So let's see if I could do something in X. Oh, this is a great time to go. Zoom out, zoom in, click, click out, come back, zoom in, zoom out. Yeah, it comes back. I'm going to get rid of that. Translate X. Okay, so look, here's where I changed it. And it comes back super fast, right? Oh my god, I got to change the Y as well. So look, it hits right about here. And what happens here? So if I take all of this, hold shift, and then bring it down. So really, it should be one direction like this. Let's see. I mean, the Y is an issue as well right now, guys. Look, for sure. What a disaster. Should have done this before. Not bad. Okay. Y is okay. Except I'm looking in here. I'm seeing some things. So if you want, oh, this is not broken. Break. That looks good. This one, sharp. This one, maybe a little too much. Oh, I haven't done that one either. Break the tangents. Let's get some hang time here. We need hang time, folks. Look here, see? This is like your first assignment that we did together, okay? So this is taking way too long, but please watch it tonight at home. Okay, so let's see here. More hang. It's scary, right? Make it flat, and then break it. Take this one, come up. Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick, I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I got to fix all that. It's got to be a direct line here. Okay, so let's see. Let's see what we got. I'm doing a lot. Please watch this over and over. I'm away tomorrow. There we go. Okay, we'll fix all that slide afterwards. Don't worry about it, okay? At least, let me see this part here. Okay, at least here, look at it. It came back much faster, okay? The bell's going to go soon, so I got to get off here. Okay, Balian. Yeah. Okay, so that's good. Boom, click back. Okay, good. Okay, I can expand the spaces, the timing inside here for each bounce. Maybe give a frame more on each side. I think we'll be good, okay? Balian out, part 3. See ya.